Welcome to the bathroom of the bunkhouse. Obviously, everything in here needs to be painted, and trimmed, and caulked. So, it's a little tight in here, so you're going to look at a lot of my back. And I'm going to speed most of this up because you don't need to watch me paint a room. But, yeah, you get the idea of how small this is. So, yeah, I removed most of the cobwebs, and now it's just going to be our favorite painting with a gallon of kills. Kills all this, and then I've got a real light blue to go in here. So, that's it. Away we go. I love cleaning up old messes. People that don't know what they're doing. Anyway, so yeah. Let the fun begin.